Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hi, I'm Jasmine and I like to do makeup, and that's probably why you're here. If you guys are new, thank you guys so much for tuning back in. I'm glad you guys are here. I'm trying to make a comeback and it's probably not going to happen, but whatever. So today we're going to be doing this look today, really natural. Well, this is my natural. This is like an everyday look for me. It does take me about 30 minutes or so, which I don't mind doing in the morning. But wanted to show you guys just a simple look because I know you guys want more simple looks and I don't ever do them. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Hey guys, so we're going to start with the face. We're going to do some face prep real quick. So I'm also starting to try and use some new products. The first one I'm using is from Bodyography Skin. This is the coconut milk serum right here. This is really cool packaging. Is that this company is actually based out of San Diego, so I like this is a really nice packaging, to be honest. Let's see how this works. But this is a coconut milk serum, and I love using serums before. So I like to use serums before I use any moisturizers because serums do penetrate the skin deeper. And lately I've been kind of changing up my routine. Normally I do eyes first and brows first, but today I'm going to be doing my foundation and then brows. I don't know, I've just been changing it up, just seeing what I like, and I do like both, but we're going to be doing the face today. It's a potent. If you're an esthetician, you know what that is. One with my moisturizer. This also can be used as a primer, and I like to use this because this does help me keep hydrated as well, and because this has coconut milk, this is going to keep us hydrated as well. So I pretty much use this all the time. As you can see, this is like going low. I have like 2 or 3 of these. I go through these so much because I do use this not only on myself, but I do use them for my clients as well. Face. And this stuff is really hydrating, to be honest. Like, I love it so much. And a lot of my clients really like this. Like, this works on all skin types. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my OMGlo Cosmetics highlighting spray. And this is in Koffee, if you guys can see that. Can you guys hear that? Ooh. So I've shaked that all up. I don't have that much product, but I'm going to go ahead and spray that all over my face. That's going to do is going to kind of help start the preparation of the face for today. I really like this. We will be using this towards the end of the look as well. If you want to purchase this, I do have a coupon code, so use Lovejaycakes for 15% off a $30 purchase. So get your hands on it. So if you guys don't know, I do have lash extensions, so I'm just going to go ahead and just brush those out real quick. I'm going to be using 2 different foundations. I have the Skin Perfect HD foundation from Kokie Cosmetics in the shade 60W and the Born This Way foundation from Too Faced in the shade Natural Beige. So I like to mix these two to just give me a more flawless finish. Taking a damp beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and start stamping that all over the face. And see how that that highlighting finishing spray really made my face like pretty glowy already. So that's the look we're going for, obviously a dewy look. Give you some ASMR. Ooh, I should do a little ASMR for you guys. So I'm just currently applying some foundation all over the face. Ooh, my arms hurt. Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Light Beige. Sorry, I just want to hear that. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Anastasia Stick Foundation in Walnut, and we're going to go ahead and kind of carve out the contour, bronzy areas. Nose contours always f me up. Hopefully that looks okay. Using this brush, this is the Royal and Langnickel Quick Contour. I think Moda also has a brush from them that's like this too. They are from like the same like sister company. Now that I finished contouring with the foundation stick, I'm just going in areas with my foundation or with my sponge that still has some product on there and just kind of bring back the lightness to some areas that got too like bronzed up for my liking. So now we're going to go ahead and go in with the Benign colorless powder. Go ahead and kind of bake the face, but not really. I don't like to bake. I only like to keep it on for like literally maybe like less than a minute and then brush it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure that I'm not creasing at all before I put that on there. And beauty blender with some product, and we're stamping it onto the eye like so. I never used to be a big fan of like cream contouring until recently, and I think it's because I used to suck at it and I never knew how to. So I'm really happy that I finally decided, you know what, let me do it. Just gonna go ahead and just... Okay, so now that I'm done stamping that in, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the excess off. My favorite powder from Sephora, this is the Microsmoothing powder. Honestly guys, I'm super bummed because they actually discontinued this. So this is in the shade medium or beige, I can't remember, but it's on the back, it says medium and then beige under it. But they discontinued this and I'm literally so upset. I wish I bought more of these. They said they might be bringing these back and I really hope so, because this makes my face look so amazing. Like, you guys, seriously, like, this is like an underdog. Like I really wish that they didn't discontinue it. Like, I'm so upset. Damp beauty blender. We're gonna go ahead and go in with some product like this, and we're gonna go ahead and just stamp that into the skin some more, especially for the areas that we didn't really set. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with just my brush now and just apply some more powder to really help mattify the rest of the face if I need to. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Bodyography. This is the BDE Perfect palette. So this is a very versatile palette. There is a pink right here for some blush. We have some browns that you can actually use for, you know, your face as contour, contour for bronzing, also for brows, and then we have some highlighting shadows as well. Buttery product, and then on top of that too, all of the shadows I believe have like vitamin A and vitamin E, which is really great for the skin. And dip into this shade right here just a little bit, because this is a pigmented color, just to kind of help deepen that. Like, look at that, that really, and I only did like 2 little things of it. You know what time it is. It is time to highlight, which is honestly one of my favorite steps of the entire makeup step of the makeup process. One of my all-time favorite highlighters right now, this is the iluvsarahii collection with Dose of Colors in Soulmate. I love this one so much. I really love that there's a mirror in there. The pan is super big, so I do need to definitely get another one of these before they're all gone, because this is personally my favorite. I'm going in with the R36 brush. Favorite step.
Holy shit. I got a bad girl, let me bang like Kirko. Take him down, take him this way for me. Don't you, bitch. And you bad and you know boy, don't you? She always say, boy, you know I don't want you.
Just highlighted with my favorite highlight and brush. This is the iluvsarahii collection with Dose of Colors in Soulmate. This is absolutely my favorite highlighter so far of all time. I use this literally for every look if I can. I just love this one so much, and like, look how blinding it is, guys, and I love how big this pan is. And honestly, this is like my favorite brush. This is the R36. Go ahead and set my face real quick with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Gonna shake it up a little bit, and let's see. Can you? So basically, we're gonna go in with the OMGlo Highlighting Finishing Spray. This is in the shade Koffee. As you can see that I use a lot. I already sprayed myself, but I'm gonna spray myself again because why not? But I love Koffee, as you can see, because this does give me a more bronzed and glowy look, and I love it. And you guys can see that it really kind of amps all of the highlights on your face and just makes you look so amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that, you know, again. You can spray a little, you can spray a lot. Obviously, I use a lot. That way, that's why it's all the way down here. I do need to go pick up some more soon. If you guys do want to save some money when you are purchasing these online, make sure to use code Lovejaycakes for 15% off any $30 purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the brows. This is the finished look. This is a super simple look. It does take me about like anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes to finish. Super easy for me, and it's also even easier because I do have lash extensions. Thank you so much, Christine. You are awesome. Yes! So if you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe down below if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you know when I make new videos, because it's not that often, but it's okay. We're gonna come back somehow and all that. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys soon on my next video.